Want to grow your business in the UAE? In 2025, it's not just about being online. It's about showing up where your customers are already searching. In this video, we'll break down 5 clear steps to build a powerful online presence in the UAE, even if you're just starting out. Let's go. Step 1. Build a website that works like a magnet, not just a business card. Use platforms like WordPress or Shopify. Make it mobile-friendly and add forms or booking tools. Example: a Dubai-based maintenance company doubled its leads just by updating their website layout and adding a simple booking form. Step 2. Make sure people can find you. Use bilingual SEO, Arabic and English, and register your business on Google Maps. Target phrases like "near me" or "best service in Sharjah." One logistics firm boosted traffic by 70% using local keywords and Google Business Updates. Step 3. Don't just post, start conversations. Instagram Reels, TikToks, LinkedIn updates. Choose platforms that match your audience. One Abu Dhabi salon gained 40+ walk-ins weekly from hairstyle reels and customer shoutouts. Here is pro tip: UAE audiences love short visual content. Use it smartly. Step 4. Now amplify your reach with targeted ads. Run city-specific Google or Meta ads, collaborate with micro-influencers, and retarget visitors who didn't convert. A Dubai real estate firm tripled leads using influencer video walkthroughs and PPC ads. Step 5. The magic happens when you monitor what's working. Use tools like Google Analytics and Meta Suite. Track clicks, bounce rates, and conversions, then tweak and grow. Example: a UAE e-learning site increased signups by 35% after analyzing drop-off points and simplifying their form. Bonus: every industry in the UAE needs a custom approach. E-commerce: focus on product listings and same-day delivery. Hospitality: use food photography and influencer reviews. Education: offer bilingual course pages and blog content. Logistics: add shipment trackers and Google Maps keywords. Tech: keep it sleek and simple, with demo videos and case studies. Ready to build your online presence in the UAE? Start with these 5 steps, tailor them to your industry, and watch your digital footprint grow in 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below if you want a downloadable checklist. And hit subscribe for more UAE business success tips.